I'm going to teach you how to make a super creamy coffee, just like the ones from a coffee shop. It uses very few ingredients, it's super easy to make, and it lasts for the whole month. The ingredients are 50 grams of instant coffee, 2 cups of sugar, and 200 ml of warm water. Add all the ingredients to the mixer at the same time and beat for 15 minutes. The result is a voluminous cream, like whipped cream. To store it, keep your creamy coffee in a container with a lid inside the freezer. Now just put a heaping spoonful into warm milk and sweeten it if you think it's necessary. Now I'm going to teach you a way to enhance your creamy coffee. Try serving your coffee in a cup decorated with Nutella. To ensure your recipe succeeds, read the tips in the video description. We are working hard to improve our channel, so if you're enjoying the videos, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe.